Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our historic rental project. And yeah, I want to just talk about some of the floor plan and space planning. You can see this is the original house there. See the flooring. And remember in some of the earlier videos, we added that 2 feet there. There's actually going to be a bar counter that comes across here that you can look over into the new family room there. And you can see those steel beams really open that up and helped open it up. But this extension here is all new kitchen countertop. And you can see we don't have a lot of exterior space. So the sink is actually going to go in a kitty corner position in here, in that corner. And then we wrapped this large window arrangement around so that if I come over here, you can see we're going to have a nice view out the corner of that building, or the corner of that window at the sink, and really get a nice view of the yard here. So yeah, right now we're getting a view of the lull, but swing back through here. You can see, pick up a nice view and look down the side of the house. Anyways, Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic rental.